Oh, I guess we'll start up here then. So, we're gonna install my airbox, my 97 Suzuki Marauder. So these pins here go in the side. This piece is a triple, and it goes in the top bolt here. Side bolt goes here, I believe. We'll find out in a second. And the other one goes here for sure, I know this. It's going to slide right in this area right here between this bar and this wire harness. And they're kind of tricky to get in and out if you don't know how to do it, but there's an easy way to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. First thing you got to do is you got to clear your wires. I unplugged this plug from here on the side so I could pull my cable up this way. I've got my other cable on this side pulled out, and you got to be careful with these wires. You got to tuck them into the side and off to the side. Now what we're going to do, this thing here, is there's going to be like 4 motions all at once that we're going to do in order to install this, and it's going to be down and in, and then slide it in like that, and it's more going to be a walk in like that. So we're going to slide it in and up, and then we're going to push the bottom down a little bit, and then we're going to walk it in nice and easy, and we're going to be pushing in on this. We're going to squeeze this in around this, and we need to get the bottom edge under here. So we're going to slide it in and under, and then we're going to gently pop the bottom through, and then we're going to walk in the sides down like that, squeezing in the side vent over this, and it'll walk right in. And the very first thing that we do is we install this hose here, and that hose will feed down through that gap right there. What we're going to need is a 10 for these bolts and pliers for this. This snaps up, you loosen, this snaps in here, you loosen this up, put it in, tighten it off. The bolts, this goes in the side like so, and then the bolt goes through the frame and into here. The other bolt goes here, in the top, through the top. And I've also got this hose will connect to the top here. And because I don't have the tripod, I'm going to turn the camera off, install it, and then hopefully you understand what I'm talking about. And then this is going to go in and up and under and down. See, this isn't going to work. You're going to pop this in, down, get the bottom corner around the hinge, walk it in sideways, holding that in. Pretty straightforward. That's the easy way to get this thing in and out. And out is of course in the reverse order. Let me wipe my nose, please. So let's get at her. Let's get at her.